Last, peers note the developed and cultured mind. Like, rain does not the well-thatched roof. Dhammapad 14. When the house is protected by well-thatched roof, it is not at all harmed by rain because the rainwater cannot sweep through it. In the same way, the well-cultured temperament too does not allow passion to come through. Therefore, the well-cultured temperament cannot be penetrated by passions. As rain does never penetrate a house that is well-thatched, so lust does never penetrate the mind well cultivated. যথাগারং হুচ্ছন্নং বুদ্ধি ন সমতি বিজ্জতি এবং সুভাষিতং চিত্তং রাগ ন সমিতি বিজ্জতি ধম্মপদ 14